101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to BPEC Smart Up Your Life. And our discussion tonight is pet lovers.
Lovers.
Okay, give me a applause before. Okay, I wanna persuade you to say, if I say BPEC, all of you guys say, you know, right? You know, okay.
Yes.
BPEC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Okay, once again, BPEC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Okay, good. Welcome to our newcomer this evening. Welcome, Mr. Both of you. Okay, could you introduce yourself to a smart listener before we are going to continue our discussion about our topic this
Okay,
evening?
smart listener, my name is Ahmad Aryandi. You can call me Ryan. Thank you.
Hi, Brian.
Hello.
Okay,
Hi,
next you. Okay, microphone.
Huh?
Okay,
Okay, good evening, smart listener.
good evening.
I am Rifki. You can call me Rifki.
Hi, Rifki.
Hi.
Okay, before we continue our discussion, because I forget to ask you about what is BPC itself, could you introduce the BPC itself to smart listeners? Yes, not about you, about BPC. You know, no.
BPC, okay.
Okay.
BPEC is one of the older community English community in
Uh-huh.
Makassar,
Okay.
and that is free for charge
Mhm.
for us. If you join with us,
Mhm.
you can join in Fort Rotterdam, Building G.
Okay.
Alright, and every Sunday.
Okay. How if the peoples outside or there want to join with BPC? How if they want to join? How the procedure?
Just come.
Just coming.
Yeah, just coming in Fort Rotterdam and by the building G.
Mm. Is charge?
Yeah.
Is charge?
No charge. It's
No
free.
charge. Okay. Free of charge.
Yeah, free of charge.
Okay. Thank you, Rifki, and thank you, Brian. Welcome back here and good evening. Anyway, I want to back to about our topic this evening. The topic is pet lover. Pet lover. If we translate to Indonesia, we can say in Bahasa pecinta binatang. Yeah. How do you think about the people who very love with pet? With pet.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't know because I don't have pet. Because I'm not pet lover.
You are not pet lover.
I'm not pet lover.
But you come here.
Yeah. Because someone invite me to.
Uh-huh.
Karfiki, you want to join
Uh-huh.
our?
But I mean, your personal opinion about pet lover. What do you
Pet-
think about them?
Okay, pet lover is someone is really love about
Uh-huh.
one animals.
Uh-huh.
Really lover.
Only
To be
one?
Pet.
Only
Yeah.
one?
Pet lover only. Okay, I have. I love my cat.
Mhm.
Second pet
Mhm.
lover.
Okay. I can see your
Eh,
deep heart.
Yeah.
You are
But
you are
someone-
woman lover. No, kidding.
But that is the people so who pity the cat. People
Mhm.
say, "Oh my God,
Mhm.
it's who pity that cat. I want to save it."
Mhm. Which one do you choose, cat or Katie?
Uh,
Okay, thank you.
Because Kitty
Okay,
maybe can-
you have answered. Okay, move to you, Brian, Mr. Brian. Hi, Brian.
Hello.
What do you think about our topic tonight?
About
Pet lover.
Okay.
Yes.
The pet lover is someone who love the pet itself,
Mhm.
and we can say we adopt it,
Mhm.
and we take care of it,
Mhm.
and uh, we we how to say memelihara.
Keep.
Yeah,
Mm.
to keep
Mm.
it, and how to say love,
Mm.
and then love them, and love
Okay.
them. Yes.
In your opinion, your perspective, what the difference actually
Mhm.
between animal lover and pet lover? Do
Yeah,
you know?
Yeah. In
Mm.
my perspective, the pet is uh, the one who how to say menemukan,
Mm.
find the
Mhm.
animal
Mhm.
that really hurt and they want to keep it in their home.
Mm.
But animals, they
They spread all of the world.
no, they catch it in the one of the forest and
Mhm.
keep it in the zoo.
Ah, okay, okay, thank you. Good point. Okay, I move to you again because I move to you again, please. Okay, what do you think? What is different according to you about animal lover and pet lover?
Okay, for what I say that is pet lover is people
Mhm.
just love one or two the
Mhm.
pet or
Mhm.
animals
Mhm.
can keep it to be the friends our
Mhm.
home, but the animal lovers is
Mhm.
all of the animal will be love,
Mhm.
not only but cat, dog,
It's general.
mouse, yeah,
You
general,
mean?
but all of them in city and the sea and the forest that will be love.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, I move to you, Tekla. This is a new question. What is the beneficial if someone keep pet? What is the beneficial?
Okay, so the benefits of keeping a pet, right?
Yes, yes.
In our home.
Uh huh.
Okay, so I think that if we keep a pet or an animal that we love,
Mhm.
especially a cat,
Mhm.
uh, it could, if we treat them
Mhm.
like a kid,
Mhm.
like,
Oh, okay. Like
most
a
people
baby.
treat their pet like their kid, right?
Mhm.
As we can see, it could increase our how to say, it's probably a dopamine hormone, like
Mhm.
hormone of happiness.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that could make us more, that could make us happier than
Mhm.
before.
Mhm.
Like,
Mhm.
for example, if you're in a bad mood and you want to pet your
Ah,
cat, just like,
okay, okay.
it
Like a
could,
fish,
yeah,
like a fish, right?
yeah, like a
Fish, you're right.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
What is that? This is a sign language.
They
No, no, no
it
expression.
could make us happier.
Okay.
It could increase our hormone of happiness, like dopamine and etc.
Like a mood booster.
Yeah, mood booster.
Ah, okay. Make happier.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the beneficial according to you?
Same as like Tekla.
Samus?
Yes.
Short means that service. No. Okay, kidding.
Same as
Continue.
like if you
Uh-huh.
have a cat
Uh-huh.
in your homes, is make you feel
Feel what?
feel good.
Uh-huh.
Example, like if you have a problems in the person,
Mhm.
and then you can tell your cats
Mhm.
what's your problems,
Mhm.
and the cats didn't say that in other people because
Have
they
you shared? I mean, talk to your cat to
Share.
express your heavy, your stress, to release your stress. Have you talked with your cat?
yeah
Really?
yeah
Really?
really.
So what is the result? What do you feel?
I didn't have a result about that.
Come on.
I just tell them
Mm-hmm.
without solution.
Uh-huh.
I
But you
told-
feel better.
yeah, because I put my problem in
Uh-huh.
the pets.
Uh-huh.
Like
Uh-huh.
I put all the problems
Uh-huh.
in my mind on on my cat's
Really?
mind.
I know their name because I'm very, it's curious with your cats.
Ah,
Who are they?
I have that, but I forget.
You forget the name of your
cat?
cats? Yeah.
Passing away.
Passing away.
Passing
Uh-huh.
away.
Uh-huh.
So
But you
sad.
forget their name.
Yeah.
Or probably they don't have. Maybe they don't have name.
They
Probably
have names.
they have name, but you
Yeah.
forget.
Yeah.
How come?
I remember one name.
Uh-huh.
It's a name in Blackie
Blakey.
because all the
Ah.
body is black.
Wow.
No, right? It's right.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. I like it. Okay. It's nice. It's interesting. Okay. Move to you. No. It's move to you. This is my absolute right. Okay. What is the beneficial people keep animals special for pet lovers?
There's a question for special for me or the people.
The people's you or the people's in your
I mean the people.
people's
Okay,
and
I think
outside. What is the beneficial
the
in your
benefits-
eyes?
Yeah, in US, if you get some bad mood in outside, in your office and your school, and you come you just home, and you see your how to cute your pet is like, oh come on, it's cute. Okay, maybe you gonna tell what the problem
You
of
talk
the house
to
is.
them?
Yeah, sometimes if I when the past I have one cat,
Mhm.
that's name is Alex.
Alex.
Yeah.
Wow. Alex.
Uh,
Like like a people name. Alex.
Yeah, because you understand what I say.
Oh yeah.
So,
Okay. Okay.
that's if you have bad trouble in outside, then maybe you can share your what is share your problems.
Serious.
Share with your
Uh-huh.
cats maybe, and that is okay. That is the pets will be
Uh-huh.
listen and no judge you if you wrong or true.
Mhm.
That is just listen. Okay, just like come on, my cute baby. I got some trouble in
Uh-huh.
home in
Uh-huh.
school.
Uh,
And
it seems like a crazy people when you see
it's
the people talk
no,
with their animals.
actually no,
Uh-huh.
because that we will make better ourselves,
Okay.
because someone in outside maybe we share with someone.
Mhm.
The problem is got the solution, so
Okay.
we shall just share with my pet, and I understood what the pet say is just gone. After that, you'll be better and good mood again.
Ah, okay. Feel fresh.
Feel
Exhale and
fresh.
inhale.
And but sometimes they say in English, I don't know what is beban keluarga. I mean,
Okay, thank you. I get the point. Hi, Malahmi. Back to you. What do you think? What is the beneficial when someone to be pet lover?
Actually, because of my family didn't want me to have any pet.
Oh, you're very honest.
So, actually, they can make me happier.
Mm-hmm.
But the unique things that I love it and I miss it till now, that I spend my money
Mm-hmm.
for my pet.
Okay, maybe the animals or the pet is making you more empathy, like sensitive for good sensitive. I mean sensing like that, right?
Yeah,
Is it?
because actually taking care of one animal,
Mhm.
it will be difficult if you don't love them, if you don't love your pet, because you will say, oh my God, I spend my money for them, but I got nothing.
Okay.
But I don't think that, because I love him much. Even though I still remember when I found him with his sibling on the road, on the corner of the road. It was 23 September 2019.
You're
And
memorized.
yeah, I still memorized. And his name is Alin. He is black and white cat.
Okay.
I took care of him when he's kitten.
Okay.
Yeah, very small, very cute.
Yeah, so
and
always say any positive vibes, right? Okay, but anyway, it's very interesting, more interesting, but we will be right back after this. Stay tuned on 101.1, The Spirit of